Thursday I've got 2 new squishies and I did a squishy experiment, so I'm just put one in the fridge and now I'm gonna take it and then after I'll show you my squishy, so let's just go. Okay guys, so we're at the freezer. Okay, so this is my squishy. I'm so dark. Okay, so anyway, I have my squishy and plastic. And that's a squishy. And this one was squishy like this one, so I don't know. So firstly, I've got so squishy. Oh my god, do you guys just see that? It's very textured at the back. Then this one. Yeah, I think this one I didn't put in the fridge is still squishier because they're squishy in the first place. This Bitten Bunny squishy, and it's also really very squishy. Paste. And I spend $13 on all of these 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.